Hello, this video will introduce the else block of an if statement. In a previous video, I introduced the if statement, which allows you to conditionally execute a block of code if a given condition is true. If the condition is not true, so that is false, then that block of code is just ignored. But what if we want to do something else instead? What if I have two blocks of code and I want to execute one or the other, A or B? This is where the else block enters the picture. If the condition for the if statement is true, the code in its body is executed. If the condition is not true, then the code in the body of the else is executed. Imagine you take a test. If you get above 50%, you pass, otherwise you fail. Here we have an either-or situation and we can use this if-else structure. Or let's say you are trying to withdraw money from an ATM. If you have enough in your bank account, you will receive the money. Otherwise, the ATM will show an error message. Again, one of two things will happen. So what does it look like in Java? We have the if statement here with a condition which evaluates to either true or false. And in the body between the braces, we have the code to be executed. Now, if the condition is false, I can add my else block here after the body of the if statement. The body of the else block is executed if the condition is false. So we get this either A or B set up. Let's write some Java examples for this. Again, we start simple. Print out whether a value is positive or negative. Here is my integer. I call it value. And let's start with the value of 42. Then I check if the value is greater than 0. Then I print out a message. And now the else block. This is executed if the condition of the if statement is not true. So I print out that the value is less than 0 this time. And yes, I realize we have the special case of the value being 0. We will fix this some other time. For now, we take small steps. So let's just test this. And the output looks good. And just another go with a negative value instead to verify the else block is executed as expected. And there we go. And I think that's enough for now.